To get rid of pigeons under your balcony, try these steps. So remove food sources. Ensure that there are no food scraps or seeds that might attract them. Now, block access. Seal off any gaps or openings where pigeons can enter. Use netting or mesh to prevent them from nesting. All right, number 3, you can install bird spikes. So basically, these bird spikes on ledges and surfaces where they roost. It makes it uncomfortable for them to land. They'll find somewhere else. Number 4, use scare tactics. All right, so hang like a shiny object like an aluminum foil strip or reflective tape to deter them. You can also use fake predators like owl decoys. All right. Now, you also have sound deterrents. So consider using noise-making devices or ultrasonic repellers that can keep pigeons away. Now, number 6, you can clean up. This is good to start with before anything else. Regularly clean the area to remove the droppings and nesting materials. This can discourage them from returning. And number 7, you got to seek professional help if all else fails. If the problem persists, you may want to contact pet control. That service may assist you. And taking these steps can help pigeons stay away from your balcony.